Hello friends. So today we are learning about lists and its methods in Python. Okay. So let's get started. If you have not seen my previous videos, so you can see and learn about basic data structures including lists, sets, tuples and dictionaries in Python. Okay. I have given a little overview of lists in Python. Okay. So what is a list? So lists is a set of variables, okay, inside a variable. So if I make a variable like fruits, so this is a variable and we will make a set or list of variables, and we can input any type of variables into this list. Okay, so let's say I can put one which is integer, then I can put string one. Okay, then I can put another variable or value which is 8.9. Okay, so these are three different kinds of data types that I can put into a variable. Okay, and here you can see that we have a square brackets. It means all of these things are inside a list, so this is called a list. Okay, this is not a formal definition of a list, but I've given you this example just for better understanding. Okay. And lists are mutable, means we can change it. So first we can print a list, so you can see. Okay, let me save it. Okay, and then if I type python list and list methods, okay, you can see it is printing all of the things. Now we will see some of the list methods. Okay, so first we will see the assignment of list items. Okay, so this is not a method, means a function. We can do assignment of any list item and put an item inside of a list in any place. Like here there is a string in first position of the fruits. Okay, first position means the number one index of the list. So here list starts from the position 0. Okay, so this is position 0, this is position 1. Okay, let me print it so you can clarify it. Fruits. Okay, I also mentioned it in my previous video that list starts from index 0. So if I want to print number 1, I have to put index 0 here, save it, and if I run it, okay, you can see number 1. If I have to put this one string, then it is on index number 1. Okay, and so on. Okay, so for doing assignment, if you want to replace this one with a number or any other thing, then we can write assignment operator, which is equal to, okay, and then we can put another variable, let's say 56, or sorry, uh, another data. So it is integer 56 and we are putting it into the index of 1. So index of 1 is this string 1. Okay, and now if I print fruits, okay, and save it, then I run the program. Okay, you can see 1 has been removed and 56 is replaced on the original list. Okay, so this is assignment of items. You can replace any of the items inside the list. Okay, but what if you don't want to remove the one, you want to keep the one. Okay, but you want to append the list uh, and put another data in this place, the index 1. Okay, so let's say this is number 2, inserting an item in the list. Okay, here we will do fruits. dot insert. Okay, and first we will you can see it is asking for index and then object. So here we will pass number 1, and I already inserted 56 here, so I will comment it. So we have our original list which have one string. Okay, and we are not doing any assignment here. Now we want to insert 56 in index 1, but don't want to replace it. So what we will do, we will assign it the index 1, and after that we will add our value. Okay, now in index 1 we have inserted 56. So if now I print fruits, so you can see 156 and then one string and the other things. Okay, and you can see fruits is not the actually a list of fruits, it is a list of different data types. Okay, so you can name it anything, this is just an example. Okay, and now what we will do after that, we will see the append method. So append list item. Okay, so we have fruits, now we will add some fruits on it, the actual fruits. So fruits dot append, now we will add apple. Okay, so what append method will do, it will get the list, and when we insert this value apple, so it will insert it in the last item. Okay, as the last item, so it will not remove this last item, so it will append after this last item. Okay, so fruits dot append apple, and after that if I print fruit, so in our original list we will see that apple has been appended. Okay, you can see apple has been appended. Let me clear the console. Okay, so now we will move to our fourth method. Okay, and fourth method is to sort the list. Okay, sorting the list items. Okay, so now I will make a list of numbers, and I will write 3 7 1 6 3 90 45. Okay, so this is a list. Okay, and if you want to sort the numbers, like if you want to sort it in ascending order, then what we can do, we can write numbers dot sort. Okay, and then we will print numbers. I think it will not sort the original list, maybe let's check it, but it should sort the original list. Yeah, so when we are applying this sort method, it is applying it on the original list. Okay, so you don't have to reassign it to the numbers. Okay, so you can see 1 3 3 6 7 4 5 9 45 and 90. Okay, and yeah, that's it about the sorting. And now we will see the next method, which is getting length of a list. Okay, okay, so here what we will do, we will get the previous list of numbers. Okay, so length of list equals to, we will use a function here which is a built-in function, length. You can see len, and in this length function we will pass numbers. Okay, we can also pass fruits here. Let's see numbers, that how many numbers are there. So if I print length of list, let me do it with a string. Okay, the f string. So the length of numbers are, okay, save it, and then run it again. You can see the length of numbers are 7. Okay, so if I count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is the fifth method. Okay, and there are lots of other methods, so I cannot show you all of them in this one video. You can explore it by asking from the chat gpt and after googling. Okay, one more method I want to show here is reversing a list. Okay, so if I want to reverse a list, so now the numbers are sorted but I want to make it reverse. Okay, so numbers, I think yeah, it is also a list method. Okay, so now if I print numbers, okay, so you can see 90 45 7 6 3 3 1. Okay, and if you have a number, a list of number like this one, and if you want to print all of the numbers in descending order, then you cannot use the reverse method because it will not sort the numbers in descending order. First what you have to do, you have to sort the numbers. Okay, it will sort the numbers in ascending orders, or if you have a string or float in your list, then it will sort them according to ascending function. Okay, means in ascending order. Okay, and after that you can apply the reverse method, so it will reverse the ascending order in descending order. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. So that's it about the list. If you have any question or comments, then you can ask me in the comments section. Okay, thank you.